Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play a fun quiz all about healthy and unhealthy foods. Are you ready to guess?
Yes, I love food quizzes.
Okay, let's go. First, we will learn what is the definition of healthy food. Then we will learn about unhealthy foods. And then we will learn some examples of healthy and unhealthy foods. And then there will be a real fun quiz.
What's healthy food?
Healthy food is the food that gives you all the nutrients you need to stay healthy and feel well and have plenty of energy.
What's unhealthy food?
Unhealthy food is the food that lacks nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. They are also high in energy, salts, sugars, and fats.
Examples of healthy food: broccoli, beets, spinach, kale, peanut butter, almonds, fruits, legumes.
Amazing! And can you give me examples of unhealthy foods?
Cakes and biscuits, fast foods, chocolate and sweets, processed meat, sugary drinks.
Amazing! Very good. So let us play a little game now. You will be shown different kinds of food and you have to guess if it is healthy or unhealthy. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Awesome!
Unhealthy.
Perfect. What about pizza?
Unhealthy.
A carrot.
Healthy.
Now, what about cheese? It will become unhealthy. Next one is pumpkin.
Healthy.
Very good. Next one is donut.
Unhealthy.
Next one is cherry. Cherry.
Healthy.
Awesome. Now this is a taco.
Healthy.
Very good. Now next one is a broccoli.
Healthy.
Yes, all the vegetables are healthy. Then next one is a pear.
It is healthy.
Amazing. So we have played this quiz and I'm really happy to see you understand the difference between healthy and unhealthy foods. So next time you have to make sure you eat lots of healthy foods every day.
I will, Mom. That was too much fun.
Yes. Thank you for listening with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Bye bye.